In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a footer to your Wix website. It's important to know right from the start that in Wix, the footer is already built into your website. In other words, you usually don't need to create one from scratch, and you also can't fully delete it. So if you're trying to add a footer but you don't see it anywhere in the editor, what's most likely happened is that it's simply hidden. The good news is that bringing it back only takes a moment. To begin, open your Wix website and go into the page editor by clicking Edit Site. This will take you to the main editing view where you can manage the different sections of your page and adjust what appears on the screen. Once you're inside the editor, direct your attention to the bottom left-hand side of the screen. There you'll find the Layers option. It's usually represented by a stacking icon, and this panel helps you see all the elements and sections currently available on the page, even the ones that may not be visible at first glance. This is especially useful when something seems to have disappeared but still exists in the site structure. Click on Layers to open the panel, then look through the list until you find the footer section. If the footer has been hidden, you'll notice a slashed I icon next to it. That icon indicates the section is currently not visible on the page. To make the footer show up again, simply click that slashed I icon. As soon as you do, the footer will be visible again in your website editor. That's all you need to do. If you still don't immediately notice it on the page, give the editor a second and scroll toward the bottom of your website layout, since the footer appears underneath the main content. The Layers panel is your best tool for finding hidden sections like this, so it's a great place to check any time part of your Wix site seems to be missing. And that's it. You've successfully made your footer visible again in Wix. It's a very quick fix once you know where to look, and now you can continue editing your footer content just like any other section of your website.